You ready to leave?
Yep, let's get going. It's 6:30 about. It's like 6:20 in the morning.
Yeah, we overslept it.
Well, I was gonna get up, but I felt bad for waking Mike up because he looks so peaceful. Yeah, there's our campsite right there.
Our overnight site.
Yep.
It wasn't bad for an overnight stop.
No, it was not bad for an overnight stop, that's for sure. It served its purpose. It's pretty much a full house here.
Yeah, a motorcycle rally was staying here, so we got the last site.
Yeah. When I called, they were like, I don't think we have anything. Let me double check. And I have one. So if you're into bikes, there's like hundreds of them here.
So we ended up staying here because the Predator generator broke down.
Yeah.
So otherwise we wouldn't have stayed at the campground. We were planning on just boondocking it somewhere.
Yeah, we were planning to keep going.
However, I am happy to report that the generator is fixed.
Yes, it was an easy fix and a fix that most people said be prepared for.
Yeah, it acted like it wasn't getting fuel. So I just put fuel in it, so I knew it had fuel. So I pulled the spark plug out and checked for spark. It did have a spark, but barely. So we went to Walmart, and all they had was Champion plugs. So I picked one up. It was like $4. Set the gap, put it in, fired right up.
Yep, and then we let it run for like another half hour just to make sure that it wasn't going to putter out, because when we were inside getting lunch yesterday, it was running just fine until about a half hour later. So we wanted to give it ample time to see if it would continue to do what it was doing before.
And I don't think we can really fairly do a campground review on this place, because we were just kind of like pulled in,
Yeah.
plugged into power, and then spent the night. We even went to bed early.
Yeah, we were in bed at like 7:30.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling good, so I just went to bed. It used to be a KOA, so it's got the typical KOA feel to it.
Right.
It wasn't bad.
No, it wasn't bad. We didn't even put the dog's chains in the ground.
Yeah.
But the dogs seemed to enjoy it. They did have like doggy waste pickup bags and disposal, which a lot of campgrounds ask you to pick up, but they don't provide that stuff, so that was nice.
They had a pool.
And they had a pool. Yeah, we didn't even walk around, so. Onward we go.
Yes, going to head our way into Nashville and through Nashville.
Yep.
Bummed that we didn't get to stay in Nashville. I guess that's part of the fun that makes it an adventure, because we don't necessarily plan. We get little ideas what we want to do.
Yeah.
But we don't reserve.
Right.
And when we couldn't stay there, it just kind of like forced us off into another direction.
Right. And not reserving was actually kind of helpful for yesterday, because we didn't know that, Mike wouldn't start to feel very well, and we didn't know that, the generator was going to need a new spark plug. So just things like that.
Right. It's when things don't go as planned is when it becomes like an adventure.
Right. And I don't know, it just makes it that much more exciting, I guess you could say, because we don't know what's going to happen. We have a goal of where we would like to stop for the night tonight, but we'll see if we get there or not, you know, the way that we planned.
Yeah, we kind of want to make up for lost time yesterday, so we want to go a little further today, just keep going.
Yep.
And I don't know, we'll see where we land.
Yeah, so far so good today. Let's hope I didn't just jinx us.
Yeah. Yep, we're making it.
What do you think, guy? What do you think? Never been to Arkansas before.
And we're under an eighth of a tank of fuel.
We like to live dangerously.
Yes. Wanted to kind of stretch this one out for fuel planning, and it's getting close.
Yep.
We got about 4 miles to our fuel stop.
It's very bumpy.
Yes, it is.
We'll make it there, and then we're gonna have some lunch.
We made it. Just barely. But we made it to the Flying J.
I knew we'd make it.
Yes, we're in West Memphis.
Yep.
Exit 280.
I was gonna say, I don't know the exit.
Yeah.
280 sounds right.
Dog's ready to get out and stretch, so.
Yeah, Wolf is all excited. She thinks we're someplace cool. Every truck stop is a campground.
Okay, another episode of cooking, RV cooking with Lynn.
Yes, it's very technical today.
What are we making?
We are making turkey cheddar smoked sausages for lunch while boondocking, so we just simply are going to boil them. And there you have it. We just wait now, and I'll catch you up when we put them in their final places in a bun.
So now what?
Now, because you love cheese so much, I put cheese on your bun.
Ooh, that looks gourmet.
Simply take the dog, let excess water drip, and gently place inside the bun.
Awesome.
Voila! Lunch a la parking lot. Pulled into the KOA in Texarkana, Texas. Literally on the state line. One side of the road is Arkansas and the other side is Texas, so it's kind of cool. We did, I think Mike said 530 some miles today. It felt kind of short, pretty easy driving besides a lot of truck traffic for the day, but what do you expect? Sign of a good economy, right? So we're just gonna get all set up here. I think we're gonna get some dinner, let the dogs chill out. They will be happy to be at a campground for overnight. It's about 3:30, so it's really not that late in the day, Central Time.
We're in the first row. So we're here. I gotta back up and go to the first row. I have to back up to get to a pull-through site.
Oh no!
She asked me if it was alright if I had to back up. Yes, it's plenty fine.
Oh, little does she know. Wolf is ready. She's excited. Look at that face.
and that's I-30 right there.
Yes, it is.
But
no mistake.
we stayed here because it was really easy, you know, off the interstate and back on.
Easy on, easy off.
And we had points, you know, KOA points, so we didn't really have to really pay anything to stay here.
So that was very convenient. They had plenty of sites and availability, so that was nice.
It is a small park.
Yeah, it is. There's only a couple of rows for overnighters, and then they have a section for monthly or seasonal people.
But, I mean, long day, we did 530-ish miles.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to get off the road, run the AC.
Just kind of chill out for a little while.
Yeah. We unhooked the Airstream and we went just across the road to Hooters.
Yeah.
That was dinner.
Yeah, and then came back and took a walk, and just been kind of hanging out ever since then, kind of just trying to think of where we're gonna go tomorrow.
Yes, we are just kind of winding down the end of the day, thinking about tomorrow, what we want to do. There are some friends of ours that we want to visit a little bit south of here. So we'll probably visit them tomorrow.
Yep.
But we will be up early. Probably, I don't know, hopefully still dark out when we get up.
Yeah.
So
We did really good yesterday. Usually we say we're going to get up early and we didn't, but we did.
These past 2 days were just drive, 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 go, go, go.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we want to relax with some friends, get lunch.
Yeah, and kind of just enjoy our time. We're in the south. We can't go much further than we are state-wise because we'll end up in Mexico. So.
Right. I mean, we are in Texarkana, so we can still go south.
Right, just not to another state.
Right, we'll go a couple hours south.
Yeah.
And then we're going to figure out where we're going from there.
But I think we're going to wrap it up right here, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
See ya.
See ya. Now we're back on the road. We are heading back south, and hopefully we're going to be at a campground. We're going to try to see if we can get in there. Of course, we haven't made reservations.
And we've got creepers. We've got creepers.
Well, technically we kind of creeped on their home base.